What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this cover off, just grab underneath, lift up, slide it forward. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver and just loosen up these worm clamps. One right here. And then one right here on the throttle body. I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take these two bolts out. Just remove this hose right here. This is going to be loose. Disconnect it right here. Just slide it out. Right there. And there's a connector right here. We want to disconnect that connector. Slide this off. Going to disconnect this hose right here. Just grab it, twist. Take this trim tool, there's a little clip right here, a little push retainer, push down, slide that retainer out. And we can grab the reservoir, just slide it up. Pull it up. Take the coolant reservoir. There's a little tab that it's going to slide into. So on the back side right here. It's going to slide on the hole where the fan shroud is. Line that up like that. And take this hose and we'll put that on the top of the radiator. And we're just going to push this push retainer back in. Line that up. Lock it in place. All right, now we want to put this snorkel on. Connect this intake temperature sensor. Lock it in place. Slide it in position. Oh, I have the two bolts right here. Just get those to line up. As long as these are on properly, then I'll tighten these two down. Just use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. And then we'll slide this hose in position. This goes over to the coolant reservoir. I'm going to tighten up these two worm clamps. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, tighten them up. Good. That one's good. Take this engine cover, slide it in position. And push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.